Luckily, I've got a long-handled spoon, so when it splatters, I can be safe.
Smells so good.
Wow. Yeah. There you go, guys. The caribou furs keeping your bums warm.
Yeah.
Good. What do you think of this, babe?
This is amazing.
Oh man, that's looking good, dude.
All right. You guys want some food? Yeah. Okay, hold out a plate. There we go.
I don't want that.
Want to eat that?
Yummy. That looks pretty good, actually.
The problem with that big wok is it made the food look smaller. Now that I'm putting it on people's plates, I'm like, this is an enormous amount of food. There we go. There we go. Oh.
Look at my fingers, you're bending. I said, I'm full.
Did you get some footage of us all eating, Luke?
Right now.
Oh.
All right, guys. Well, we're done with dinner, and we want to get the fire started, but we didn't bring any kindling, and we forgot to bring an axe. So we are going to show you how to fix this problem, because it's not the first time I've done this.
Here. It's catching on fire! Trapped in here.
No, why would you be cold?
Oh, hi everyone. You can tell all the kids to
Back on.
Oh, yeah, that's I had to do it with Weasel in the car.
Oh, there we go. Whew, that is going to go up quick. The heat from this is intense. It's hard to stand next to this thing. We've got to thaw the ground out. If we sleep on warm, dry ground, it'll make all the difference in the world. So I've got to build a massive fire, and I got to keep it going for a long time. All right, check it out. We got a bunch of water right here. Can't sleep in that. Well, the fire's done a great job thawing the ground out and pushing the walls of the shelter back. Oh, that is a good steak. Oh my goodness, this is so much food. But the good thing about winter camping, the food doesn't go bad. I'll just put that in the snow and it'll be good for tomorrow. A little salt and butter on a baked potato. Not bad at all. It's been one heck of a meal. All right, for dessert, I've got Ling He Mui flavored gummy snacks from Hawaii.